And what we committed last year, you remember last year there was a number of issues that we raised. We then agreed to which we must allocate or ring-fence some of the budget to deal with challenges. And we need to improve from that. And we're going to work with a number of stakeholders, including the team, to ensure that we increase the support. We must appreciate the table for the contribution that they've made, but also to appreciate even those that have not given this opportunity, who have been sponsoring or contributing in various corners of the province, because we are aware that there are sponsors that have sponsored from the streets, from the locals, sponsoring schools, but because they don't have this opportunity to express themselves. So we want to also appreciate them. Alo mazamancane siyafisa ukuthi senibongele. Uma sikhona soba khona nakuyo ku-national siyo-supporta ngoba we have made us proud. Imisebenzi eniwenzayo uma ni-performa kuwine isikole siphume KZN kuba ngathi icula thina nathi singamabhili le nkosi yami. Kodwa ngoba we're working together kusenza ukuthi ikwazi uNatal iqhubeke phambili njengabantwana benze kahle nothisha ukuthi in terms of academically baphase futhi sibe number 1, and we believe in even nala sona kanjalo. God bless you, Sabah.